Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my channel. You can see like there are so many deals to share. It's been like a week or so, and these bonuses were like not so good, but not so bad too. Once I had to do 13 offers, and once I had to do 11 offers for this Ibotta. So guys, if somebody is new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and if somebody is like returning subscriber, thank you so much for encouraging me as always. And if somebody is new, guys, and wanted to know what I'm talking about, these are all Ibotta swag bucks for rewards deals. So if you are new, please use my referral code to like start saving. So I'll just put all that in my description box below, so if you'd like to, you can definitely go ahead. But before entering the video, guys, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. So let's jump in without further delay. So first I'll talk about the samples, and most of the samples are like sponsored freebies, so you have to get that ad on Instagram or Facebook. So usually like if you buy their products, or like randomly, it's like all random. So if you guys find, sorry guys, so if you guys find any sponsored freebies, just go ahead, but make sure it's from like from manufacturers, so that you don't get scammed or something. So yeah, let's talk about these samples first. So the first sample is this, and guys, you can see I like I use most of them, and I'm like really happy because because of this I started saving so much. And whatever I buy is almost all free, and most of the freebies are not available at my Walmart, so I'm just preferring other stores, which I can do. So the first one is this sample, perfume sample from Estee Lauder. So I got this yesterday, so I have to try this one and see how it smells. And this one is the first sample, and the second sample is from Yum Butter. So even this was a sponsor freebie, so I just got this one for signing up. uh, and the next one is this grenade carb killer bar, but this tastes same like chocolate, guys. So if you want to try, make sure like find that sponsored ad on Instagram. Most of the ads I find on Instagram. So once you start signing up for one sponsored ad and getting a freebie, I think you'll be getting more and more, because once I started doing this, I've been getting more and more samples. And the next one is Bulgari, I don't know how they pronounce this, Omnia crystalline. So I got this sample too to test. I'm really excited, like I have got so many, guys. And yeah, this one is the one which I was most excited about. I'm not able to show you guys the magnets, but that magnets were like amazing. I kept everything on my fridge, so I just customized the shutterfly using my photos, and like whatever I wanted to write. This deal is no longer available, but it was available before a month or so. Like I got $30 of magnets for free, and seriously, they are like really amazing, and I was really happy with that. So if at all I find that this kind of deals, I'll be posting on Instagram, so don't forget to follow there. It will be helpful for you guys. And yeah, guys, the next one is this cash card. I never used it before, but I signed up for that app. I can also put that link in the description box below, so that you guys get $5 and I'll get $5. So I did not use it yet, but I keep seeing many people getting nice boosters. So if at all I use it, I'll just let you guys know. So I just wanted to inform you guys, just to be prepared if in case there's something, like if you get some offer suddenly, we need to have that card. So you just have to apply for that card. It's just like credit card, and you'll get it to your home. There's an app called Cash App, so you can just go sign up using my link, and go there, giving all your information, and you'll get card and activate it and be ready. So if there is any booster, I'll definitely let you guys know. The next one is the soap sample. Even this one was sponsored freebie, guys. I'm so sorry, there are no direct links for all this. You just have to find it for yourself. So yep, let's see, let's try this one too. And the next one is like I'm really excited, is this one. I just got some sponsored ad for this CBD soft gels, and this is regularly priced like $65. And I was like, no way, I'm not gonna get this. But I just tried, like I just signed up with the sponsored ad, and oh my god, I got this one. And I saw the uses of this. This is having so many advantages, but I don't know, I'm just gonna try this for a couple of days and see how it works. And I'm really happy to get this, like $65 for free. Oh my god, that's awesome. So yeah, the next one is the deal is not on this camera, but what I wanted to say is Amazon, like keep checking your Amazon website and app. Many people are getting, like $25, you'll get a $25 gift card when you order, when you add a credit or debit card, and there's no link for that. It's for targeted Amazon accounts. So I got that for $25, and I used that for, that was priced at $24.99. So it was completely free for me. So I just wanted to give you an idea on, what to look out for, so that's why I kept it there. And the next deal is on this mask. I posted this deal on Instagram, like 2 months ago, I guess, and I got this now. This is just $1, I mean, like just 99 cents actually, but it's like very very good. So just keep an eye out, guys. I'll be posting such deals, and this will not exist for like longer time. It will just be there for like 1 hour or 2 hours or so. You have to, like just be fast in grabbing all those things. And the next one is on this one. So this is the new website I tried. It's called Poptable. So you just have to sign up for that, and you have to keep applying for products. So whenever you get selected for something, they'll just send you. So they send me this. I tried it for 2 days, and I wrote a review about that. So that's it. I have to look out for more available products. So yep, this is one, and this one is priced at like $25 at Walmart itself. So I think that's amazing. So like just try for that website. And if you guys want some links, let me know in the comment section below. I'll definitely add them. And the next sponsored freebie is on this NARS foundation. So yeah, they send like nice 5 shades. So I'm gonna try this too, and if at all I like, I'm gonna definitely buy that. Next one are this PepsiCo coupons. So I actually do not need this, but like I wanted to be prepared, like in case there are some nice deals and you wanted a coupon all of a sudden, you're not going to get that. So just go to pepsico.com and select like 10 to 14 coupons, and they'll send it directly to your mail. You need not pay anything, and that's really awesome. So just do that and be prepared, guys, because like we never know which coupons will be needed. So whenever it's free, and I'm like, whenever it's free coupons, I'm like definitely gonna grab that. The next one is Express. Is on Express. Like in their website, you're gonna have surveys. So just sign up for their in their website, and you'll be getting surveys randomly for $5, $10, even $20. So I got like $30. Uh, you know in rewards. So I grabbed a shirt, and along with that I grabbed this one. So this one is priced at $20, I guess, and this was on sale for $10, and there was an extra sale for 5, I mean like 50% off extra sale. So I grabbed this for $5 and a shirt for $25. So total it was like $30 I paid using my rewards, and that made this perfume and that shirt completely free. So yeah, just sign up and get ready for these things, guys. These things are not instant, but like you guys you need to be ready. And these are also like few more sponsored freebies. So once you start doing that, I think you keep getting more and more sponsored ads. So do that. And the next one is in this Casa plug mini. So I didn't do this deal now. I did this deal like 2 weeks before, I guess, but now it's happening the same. Like for select accounts in Amazon, you just have to add that smart plug using Alexa. I mean, like you just have to tell Alexa to add that to your cart, and it will add, and it will automatically deduct $17.97, which is the whole price, making it completely free, and it ships too. You can see that. So just check for that too. And the next freebie is also like from sponsored ad, this flapjack cup. So I just need to write a review. I signed up and I got a code, and I used that code to buy that, and it came directly to my home. So that's how it is. And yeah, I have two more deals. I'll just explain that in the end. So yeah, the next deal is awesome moneymaker in Swagbucks. So in Swagbucks, under the Discover tab, go to Review tab, and there will be a Norton 360 where you'll get 3200 SB. It was 3200 SB for me, but for some of them it already changed to 2800 SB. And I wanted to give a note: try at your own risk, guys. I don't know, many people saying that it doesn't work. You can get the refund too, but I don't know. I just tried and it worked for me. Like for me, it took like 15 to 20 minutes to get my cash back, and there's no exclusions. Like they did not say like you have to keep it for 1 month. They just said that you can cancel it anytime, but I just have to subscribe it for $7.99. So I did that, and I got back 3200 SB, which is equal to $32. So that was a $24 moneymaker, which is huge and easy. So I'm very happy about that. But once again, guys, I wanted to give you an FYI, like, please try it on your own risk. I am not responsible for that. I don't know, I just did and it worked for me. But many people were complaining that it doesn't work. So I don't know, just if you want to try, give it a try, and that's it. Next deals are from Safeway. As you can see, I already finished that one. So this Cracker Barrel, this is priced at $1. I mean, like 10 for 10. So if I buy one, I have to pay $1. And from Ibotta, I got back 50 cents, making it just 50 cents. And the next one is on this So Delicious yogurt pairings. This offer is being happening since very long time. So these are usually priced at $2.29, and everything I'm talking about is from Safeway. And it's on sale for $1.50. I used $1 of coupon. You just have to sign up for their email, and you're gonna get $1 coupon in your mail. And I got back $1 from Ibotta, making it free plus 50-cent moneymaker. So the next deal is on this Suja Immunity. So this one is usually priced at $3.99. Look at how small it is, and it's like pricey. Yeah, so that one is priced at $3.99, but it's on sale for $2.50. And right, I mean, like, go to their website, and in contact us, just mail them that you want some coupons. They're not going to send you any free coupons, but they'll send you $1 of coupons. I got two and used two of them. So I used $1 of coupon and got back $1 from Ibotta, making that 50 cents. And I had that. It's really good. I mean, like, I felt better after drinking that. So I really suggest you guys to go get that. So the next deal is on Perfect Bar. So I finished that too. So it's priced at $1.99 at Safeway. So I used $1 of Just For You coupon and got back $1 from Ibotta, making it completely free. So the next deal is on this Perfect Cups. So you have to write to the company on you how much you like them, and they're gonna send you like 1 or 2 free coupons. I got 1 coupon, so I used that free coupon and got $1 from Ibotta, making it $1 moneymaker. And the eggs, check your Safeway accounts. Eggs were like 75 cents Just For You coupon, so I clipped that and got my 18 count for just 75 cents. And yeah, there's no show bunny complete. We finished that too. So it's usually priced at like $1.50, but it's on sale for 75 cents. So I had to buy 2 for this deal, and the total is $1.50, and there's a $1 off 2 Just For You coupon. So I paid 50 cents and got back 75 cents for buying 2 from Ibotta, making it 25-cent moneymaker. And the next deal is on this Feel Good products. So I tried some cheese pockets and these two. So I was having 2 coupons. So this coupon is, I think it's still available. So go to my Instagram, and in my bio there's I mean, like, in my link tree there's a link. So click on that, fill out the form, and you're gonna get this coupon directly to your mail, and that's priced at like $7, guys. So that's awesome. So just don't miss that. Check it out. I don't know, I just posted that deal like before a week or so. So if you can still find it, that's awesome. So the next deal is on this Tazo. So we have to buy 2 for this deal. Usually these are priced at $4.99, but these are on sale for $3.50. So I bought 2 and paid 7, and there's a $2 off Just For You coupon. So I paid 5 in total, and I got back $6.20 from Shopkick, making that 2 boxes free and a $1.20 moneymaker. So the next deal is on Verogusto. So go to their website and check for, like, when you refer 3 friends, you're gonna get a free coupon. So you just have to email them, that's it. And I got my free coupon, and that's it. I just brought that from Safeway. The next deal is on this Open Nature granola. You can see I used that too. So this one is priced at $2.50, and there's a free just for you coupon, so that made it completely free. So the next deal is on this Kind energy bar. This one is priced at $1.75, and there's a 75-cent off just for you coupon, and I got back $1 from Ibotta, making it completely free. And the next thing I want to say is, if you are not signed up to Social Nature, guys, sign up. Like, there are so many things going on, like you're gonna get so many free coupons. So if you want a tutorial on that, let me know. So yeah, let's jump into Whole Foods. So these Dr. Prager's perfect sliders, this is from Social Nature. So they'll send you one free coupon. You have to, like, try it, eat it, and just write a review, and like, rate it and everything, and share it. So that's it. That's it. I mean, like, that is what they wanted. So yeah, that's awesome. Actually, we get to try new products. That is why I'm telling. If you want a tutorial, please let me know, guys. So this Dr. Prager's, this one is priced at $3.50 or $3.99, I don't remember. So I use that free coupon, and I got it for free. And in Ibotta there's a $1 back, making it completely free, and $1 money maker. And the next one is on this Mitchell at Augustine cookies. I think it disappeared yesterday, but I posted this a week back, and it kept on resetting. Sorry, and it kept on resetting for 3 to 4 times. So that's why I'm keeping, like, I'm keep telling you guys to follow on Instagram. So these are priced at $4.99, and we're gonna get back $4.99 from Ibotta, making it completely free. So it reset like up to 4 times for me. So yeah, that was really awesome. And the next deal is on this Koya Thrive. One is on this Miracle Matcha, one is on turmeric, and one is on chill chocolate. So these are priced usually at $3.99, but they're on sale for $2.50 each, and everything was having hang tag here, guys, like a rubber band. So I used $1 off each, and I paid $1.50 for each one, and got back $2 from each one. So it was like $1.50 moneymaker for those three, and it covered 3 rebates too, which was awesome. And the next deals are from Sprouts. So this Path of Life quinoa blend, this one I got it from Sampler, I coupon. So I just went and grabbed that. So if you're new to Sampler, you just have to, like, take a survey, sign up for the account, and that's it. They'll be sending samples every month, so you just have to review them. That's it. So the next deal from Sprouts is on this Happy Kid bar. So this is priced at $3.99, I guess, but it's on sale for 99 cents. And I got $1 back from Ibotta, making it completely free. Sorry, guys. The next deal is on this Breaky. This is priced at $2 each. It's on sale. There's a $1 of digital coupon, and there's $1 from Ibotta, making it completely free, and it tastes good. This is my third box which I got, so that's awesome. So the next deal is on this Pipcorn. So I was having a free coupon in Sprouts, and I got $1 back from Ibotta, making it completely free, and $1 money maker. So for the next deal, I had to buy this Dave Killer bread and this Chosen guacamole for completely free. I posted when the deal was there, and I posted the link for coupon too. So this Dave Killer is priced at $4.99, and this Chosen guacamole is priced at $3, and with that coupon it was completely free. And when I buy this Dave Killer and Chosen guacamole, there was a digital coupon where it takes off $3 for buying two. So I paid $1.99, and I got back $1.50 for Dave Killer bread on Ibotta, making both of them just 49 cents. And that's it for Whole Foods. Next, let's jump on to Walmart. So this Wally Rollies, these are priced at $3.97. These are in the freezer section, and you're gonna get back $3.97 from Ibotta, making it completely free. And I just wanted to mention few freebies which I didn't find. This Incognito, these are priced at $5, and Incognito nuggets, these are priced at $5.27, and it's a dollar peely. You're gonna pay $4.27 and get back $5 from Ibotta, making it like 70 some change moneymaker. And Impossible Burger is $5.98, and it's free after offer in Ibotta. Same with Ocos Pro, same with Clio Bar, same with Core Bar, same with Brannick. And this Jumbo Snacks, in most of the places it's on clearance for $1. I didn't find that, and you're gonna get back $2.50 from Ibotta, making it a $1.50 moneymaker. And Lifebuoy too, it's on clearance for Lifebuoy hand soap, it's on clearance for $1, and you're gonna get back $1 from Ibotta, making it completely free. Next deal is on this Chobani Flip. So these are priced at 97 cents. I have to buy two for that because it's a BOGO deal. So total for both of them would be $1.94. I used $1 of Chobani coupon, and I paid 94 cents, got back $1.22, making it a 28-cent moneymaker. And there's also a Star Wars cereal. It's usually priced at $3.94, but it's on clearance for $1. I didn't find that too, so it's going to be a nice moneymaker. The next deal is on this Ocha tea. This is priced at $1.62, and you're going to get back $1.50 from Ibotta plus 10 cents any tea. It's going to make it just 2 cents. Next, the Alpha Burrito. So these are priced at $2.64. I grabbed two, finished one, so there's only one. So I used buy one get one coupon which I got from Social Nature. So I paid $2.64 and got back $2.64, making it completely free. So the next deal is on this last deal too, is on this SOS Hydration. I got this coupon from Social Nature too, and I even drank it. It's so good. So this one is priced at $6.48. With that free coupon, it was completely free, and there's a $1.50 back from Ibotta, making it completely free, and a $1.50 money maker. So that's it. Actually, I have one or two more deals, but I don't know if you can like go check on Instagram. But I'll just try to like explain it. Actually, I'm not going to explain it, guys. There was a nice deal on Hershey's, but now it's not there at CVS. And Siren is the BOGO one, which is a repeat deal. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. Like I'll be meeting you guys in the next video with more deals. So that's it for today, and I'll see you guys again soon. And there's also a deal on RX Kids Bar, which I'm going to post on Instagram first after grabbing it, and if it works out, I'm just definitely going to post that too. So stay tuned for that, and bye for now, guys. Have a good day. Take care.